Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've got permissions set. Now begin. Open the app and tap the plus button to start a new project, selecting the proper aspect ratio for your platform. Once you import 1050 photos, hold and drag to reorder them into narrative sequence. Make sure to pick an initial template only if you want pre-built pacing, otherwise leave timing manual. This first pass establishes the visual flow, so set rough durations before diving into detailed edits. Now you refine. Adjust each photo's duration, try 0, 5 to 5, 0 seconds depending on energy, and use 1, 5 seconds for steady rhythm. Once done, add transitions and enable pan/zoom or keyframe a slow move to create motion from stills. Import your track, trim and snap images to beat markers so visuals hit when audio does. Make sure to apply a single color grade or filter across clips so nothing jarringly shifts. Finish by selecting export settings, 1080p at 30 fps for quick sharing or 4K at 30 fps for archive, and set bitrate according to desired quality. After exporting, save a project copy and then export to your camera roll before sharing to social apps to avoid compression issues. If export fails, free at least 500 MB of storage, force close and reopen the app, then retry. This resolves most glitches caused by temporary cache or interrupted I/O. You're done. Review the final file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.